Let's talk about subconscious self-programming. So every single second of the day, your unconscious mind is being programmed by your subconscious self-talk. So what you say to yourself most often is what you become or what you remain. So one of the fast ways to start changing your self-talk so that you reinforce a positive self-image, not a negative self-image, is to replace the word if with the word when. So rather than saying to yourself, I'll do this if ... happens, or this will be great if it happens, replace it with when this happens. I'll do this when this happens. When this happens, I will do this, etc., etc. Spot yourself and catch yourself when you say the word if to yourself. Because when you say the word if to yourself, you're reinforcing uncertainty. That is a lower self-image. But when you say when, you are increasing your positive self-image. You are reducing uncertainty and bringing on certainty. So replace the word if in your subconscious self-talk with the word when. How do you know it's there? Just listen to yourself every now and again and notice when you say it. Ask people around you, ask friends and family and colleagues to point it out as well. Ask them to tell you when you say if ... ask them to point it out so that you can rephrase that as when ... It's simple, but it is powerful.